Continuing on with our construction, we are now going to add two angles together. So with our first angle here, we want to make this one larger and we want to add on the size of the second angle. So we're going to take our compass and we're going to make an arc on both of the two angles exactly the same. We're not going to change the width of our compass. We're going to keep this the same. We're going to draw an arc on the first one and an arc on the second one. So make sure that you don't have it open too wide. It needs to still fit on the second angle. Okay, so our point goes at the vertex. We're going to draw a nice big arc here. We're not going to move our compass. We're going to do exactly the same thing. So put the point on the vertex. We're going to draw an arc that goes around and intersects both of the rays. So for the next part, we're going to measure the size of this second angle with our compass. So put a point on the ray and arc intersection, and then put your pencil on the other one. So we're just measuring how wide that is. And then we're going to keep this and we're going to move it over to our other one. So the arc on the second ray, put your point there. And then we're going to draw another arc that intersects the very first arc that we drew. So now we're going to use our straight edge and we're going to join our vertex with the intersection of the arcs. And now we've just added our first angle, added the smaller angle onto the larger angle. So now we've got this large angle right here. Now the last thing that we need to look at is angle subtraction. So similar to what we just did with angle addition. So we're starting off with a fairly large angle and we want to shrink this down by this amount. So again, we're just going to set our compass to any opening. We're going to make an arc with this size on both of the two angles. So put your point at the vertex on the first one. Put your point on the vertex of the second one and draw an arc that crosses both of the rays. So now what we're going to do is measure the width of this angle using this arc. So point goes on one side and your pencil goes on the other side. So it's not going to be very wide. We're going to take that measurement and we're going to take it away from this one here. So our point is going to go on this part right here. And we're going to draw a little arc that intersects the two. And then we're going to take our straight edge and draw a line from the vertex to the two arcs that are intersecting each other. And we've just shrunk down our large angle. We've subtracted the two angles. So we've taken our large angle and we've subtracted this smaller angle. So now we've just got this angle right here that we would want to work with.